All right, let me log in here. Okay, so obviously question 1 and 2, yes or true, whatever. For question 3, I got 0.175.
0.175, that's what I got.
Okay. Question 4, 0.055.
Yeah, that one was confusing, but yeah, that's what I got, so I think that's a good sign.
I think that's a good sign. Yeah. A lot of these questions I was like, I don't know. All right, so question 5, the distribution of the sample means is X, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the second one, at least on my screen.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, that's what I got.
What did you get for 6? Okay, in the
6,
kitchen.
I got the law of large numbers, but I'm not quite sure.
That's what I put, but I might have to double check that one. Those
Yeah,
two.
because I didn't look that up and compare it with the real source. That's just what I understood.
Yeah. Let's see. And that was that in question 6? Oh, here's the law of large numbers. The law of large numbers states that if the sample size is large, then the sample mean will typically be close to the population mean.
Which of the following results the spread and decreases? Okay, yeah, so that's exactly right.
Okay. All right. Is Celine gone? Looks like it. She disappeared.
Oh, she did. I didn't even realize.
Weird. All right.
Are you using like 2 different computers when you do this?
I have my phone and I'm using my computer.
Okay. So you can't get on your phone? I mean, on your computer?
Every time I get onto Google Plus on my computer, it shuts the entire screen down. I don't know why. So question 7, I got 1.045.
Okay, that's what I got.
And question 8, 0.148.
Okay, that's what I got.
9, 2.338.
Okay, so on this one I got 2.047. What did you do for your... So for the z-score, I got the average of 160. Is that what you got?
Yep, average of
So
160.
it'll be 1 divided by the standard deviation of those 5.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if I actually did that.
How did I do that?
Oh, no, sorry. So what I understood was I got 160 minus 150.8, because
Okay.
that's the average mean for the population.
Right.
And then I took that number and I divided it by the standard deviation of the samples.
Which is 8.8, right?
I got the standard deviation of the samples of 10.049.
Oh, because we used the standard deviation of the sample, not the standard deviation of the
Right.
problem.
That's what I did. I did the standard deviation of the sample, and I took that standard deviation and I divided by the square root of 5.
Okay. Hold on just a second. So what was your z-score?
So my z-score was 2.047.
2.047. Okay. And then what was your probability?
0.0203.
0.0203. All right. I'm gonna have to compute that one.
Okay.
But I see where you're going with that one. I think I used the wrong standard deviation. All right. Question 9, I got 2.338, but that might be the same thing. I struggled with last.
Wait, isn't that the one we just went over?
What was the z-score?
So
Oh, so that was the same question.
yeah,
And you got, what was your z-score? 2.047.
0.047.
And so to find that, you took 160 minus 150.8
Right.
divided by the standard deviation over the square root of, what is that number?
Square root of 5. It's the n. N is the number of samples.
Right, so let me make sure my equation in Excel is correct here. So B10, so 160 minus 150.8 divided by bracket 5 over, no, 8.8 over the square root of 5, right?
No, not 8.8, because 8.8 is the given standard deviation.
So what did you get for the standard deviation of the group?
I just took all those numbers and I said equals standard dev. I mean standard dev. So I use Excel standard deviation. I actually don't know if.
Oh, you know what? I think there's that. What's that? Quantitative statistics thing. Let me plug it in there.
Yeah, that's right. Well, it's so because in none of the videos did it say we had to do that. So I'm wondering.
All right. So 10.049. Let me put that in there. Oops. 10.049. Oh, I don't know. Compute. Oh, bananas. I am doing something to mess up my formulas in Excel. Maybe that'll work. Okay. So the mean is 150.8. Standard deviation according to the quantitative statistics is 10.049.
Oh, so you wait, hold on. You were right. You were right. So I just went back and rewatched the video, and you're supposed to do the standard deviation of the population, not of the sample.
Okay. So
Okay, so you're right. So plug in 8.8. So I got 2.34. Is that what you got originally?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, you were right.
And we go out to 3 decimal places or 2?
2.337. So yeah.
There's 0.337. Oh.
Or no, 3.8.
Okay.
So plugging back that into the template. 2.338.
And so do we use that? Do we use that z-score when we compute the probability in question 8?
No,
Score above.
No, because the probability is going to go in question 9.
Oh, okay. All right. So question 9. I got 2. Let's see. No, that's 2.338 is what we got for question 9. So question 10. What is the probability of the 5 randomly selected students? I got 0. This one I might totally be wrong on. 0.010. But I don't know.
I've got 0.0097.
0.0.
Because I just took the z-score from 9 and I plugged it into the applet.
Right. And then if you round that up to 3 decimal places.
Well, that question's actually asking for 4.
Oh, that would probably be why. Okay, because that's where. Because yeah, I got 0.0097. Thank you for catching that.
Yep.
And 11, I got approximately normal.
Okay, that's what I got.
12, 3.5.
That's what I got.
13, 0.078.
I got 0.0. I mean, I got 0.111.
You got what?
Mean is 81.
What is the standard? What is the standard deviation of the sample distribution of the random? I feel like I'm reading a bunch of words and they're not making sense.
I understand you. The mean of the 81 students who were selected.
What is the standard? the mean.
So wouldn't it just be point 7 divided by square root of 81, right?
So where'd you get the point?
So no, you're right. 0. I don't know where I got that. 0.078.
Okay. Are you sure?
Is that what you got?
0.078 or
Yeah.
0.078? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, that sounds good.
What is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected students? I got 0.005.
I got 0.036. Okay.
Okay.
81 students is less than 3.3. So we're going to do 3.3 minus 3.5 minus 3.5 equals that.
So we have 81 students. What's the mean? 3.5?
Mm-hmm.
Our x
Divided by
is, and what's our standard deviation?
7. I guess we could just do
0.0 or 0.7? Yeah, 0.7.
negative 2.571. Negative 2.571.
Okay, that's what I've got too for the z-score.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And so 0.0051?
0.005 for underneath.
Yeah.
Is less than 3.
Yeah, so to the left.
Yeah, okay.
So I got 0.005.
Uh-huh.
What is the probability that 81 students will be selected? Greater, so that's everything else. 0.995.
Yes, that's what I've got.
Okay. Well, I just got a text from my boss saying he's on his way to come pick me up, so I have got to run.
Okay.
I'm going to submit this. Awesome job.
Okay.
I am sorry that I can't be more helpful with Celian or Cody.
That's all right. We'll figure out the meeting for the rest of it, and I'll submit it to the whatever it is, online meeting
Awesome.
thing. I don't know that she likes them, but we got
I don't know if she does either. But if she does, and she needs a better link, like an hour after we have the meeting, the video of our meeting will pop up on my Google Hangout.
Uh-huh.
So if you get on there, you can just copy the link from that video and post it. But I think the ones you've been doing have been fine because we've just been posting.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Awesome job.
Thanks, Tanner.
All right. Bye.
Bye.